The best way to convince anyone is to actually not convince anyone. And if you're still convincing, my brother, you're just beating around the bush. Why? Let me tell you. So welcome to the one cut video or just one take video. No cut will be there. Alright, so today's topic is all about persuasion. How can you convince anyone within a second? Well, when I say this, trust me, it needs a lot of practice. It needs actually skills, but not smart skills. Trust me, a lot of people might be thinking that to convince or in order to persuade someone, we need to know so many things and tricks and tips. Well, not really. So, first of all, I am gonna ask the question, why to convince anyone? Well, I know it's very obvious that you might be knowing that why to convince, but still I need to put or I need to enlighten some points here. Well, you might be student, so you have to convince your friends or teachers. If you are a job seeker, you have to convince the interviewer. And let's take a case, if you are a couple, you have to convince your partner. And if you are a parent, you have to convince your children. So in your life, you might have seen that every single second you have to convince someone or the other one. Yes or no? So it's become so vital for us to have the skills, or to persuade someone or anytime, anywhere within a second. And how could you do that? Well, I'm gonna share 3 tricks or 3 tips about convincing, about learning the art of persuasion. Let's start. So the first trick is, don't be interesting, but be interested. So if you're not smart, it's rather good. Why am I saying that? Very simple. If you are smart, what happens? You're gonna follow the rules and things. There are so many techniques that you're gonna be doing that. But trust me, for every person it differs. So the best way is to actually understand, to listen the person, to become interested. Because all the people need validation, need attention, need someone who can understand their story of the life or their own experiences that they have had. It might be a very traumatizing, it could be a great experience, but they will just make you to hear all those things, and you have to actually relate those stories. You have to understand the way the person or the one wants to understand. All right, now by doing so, what happened? You're gonna make a friend, and accordingly that person will automatically being amiable to you or will become friendly to you. So you will get an advantage by just making or becoming interested in that person. Now the second thing is that you have to build the relationship. When I say this, what does it mean? Well, building a relationship is not a piece of cake. Trust me, you do not have to sound very smart. You do not need to know the knowledge and a lot of things. If you want to make a friend, you have to be in their own level. You have to show them, I understand what's going with your life, man. I can relate it. And you have to also narrate your own story. So by listening, everything doesn't happen. You have to also just agreeing the points that the person is saying to you, and you have to share some of the stories, and accordingly it's a two-way communication, and then you would be able to convince the person effortlessly. And last but not the least, don't talk irrelevant. That's the reason I said don't beat around the bush. Well, why is that so? See, very simple. I said one thing, like every time whenever I make videos, that of course words are very powerful. All right, so what you are saying to the person, or just take a case, if the person is sharing something, if he wants to hear A, then if you will be talking about B, that won't make any sense. So somehow you have to, of course you can give the points about B, but you have to relate it with the A, because as I said, the person wants to hear exactly from you the things that he is thinking about, he's pondering about, and just you have to know what the person and what the psychology the person is having. And the third technique only works when you followed the first one and the second one, so that you would be able to come to know which genre, of person that is. So accordingly, you can change your thoughts, and you can just share your views with that person. And trust me, no one is going to buy your thoughts. When I say buy, what does it mean? It means trust. All right. Or no one is just going to take your advice, but they need your friendship, they need your relationship. And just when they feel that, trust me, the person will be automatically convinced. And hence fourth, you do not have to convince anyone, but it happens in the flow. So believe in that whenever you are convincing, don't try to convince. All right, but be honest and keep sharing your own views and try to understand the person. All right, don't be smart, otherwise you're gonna lose the match. This is the reality, because all in all, people are not buying your products, but they are buying your thoughts. They are buying your friendship, means they are trusting your friendship, because they might forget the words, but they won't forget how you made them feel while talking to them. So I hope you got the point how to persuade anyone. And trust me, this is a very great skill that you can acquire. And really, if I know that if you're gonna do that, you could really become very successful in your life very easily. So I hope it has added some values to you. And if so, hit the like button and subscribe it. And for communication, follow me. And this is Vikas Shukla signing on, and I will see you in the next video. Till the time, don't convince, but make a friendship with everyone. Bye.